Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Omihaira Basman Dalidig, also known as Princess. Um, I am one of the Action Dapat Party List nominee, and I think Action Dapat Party List for valuing the voices of the Muslims in our society by choosing me as one of their nominees po. And thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Action Dapat. Kasama na po doon yung ang aking mga pamilya, friends, relatives dyan sa Marawi City. And tuloy lang po tayo sa pagsuporta sa Action Dapat. Tapat dapat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.